Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best AR Blue Clean replacement parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the peak performance and longevity of your pressure washer, ensuring that every cleaning task, from delicate patio furniture to stubborn driveway grime, is tackled with the power and efficiency you expect from your AR Blue Clean machine. Number 5. AR Blue Clean PW909100K Universal Electric Power Washer Replacement Accessory Kit. Introducing a universal accessory kit designed to enhance your electric, cold water pressure washer. It's the perfect upgrade for your cleaning needs. Experience reduced fatigue with our easy squeeze trigger gun, designed for maximum comfort during extended use. Its integrated trigger makes operation effortless. This flexible 25-foot hose offers great maneuverability and durability. It can handle up to 2,900 psi and a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Easily adjust your spray angle with the VariSpray lance for maximum versatility. Tackle any cleaning task with the right setting. For tough cleaning jobs, the Turbo Lance delivers a high-pressure oscillating water jet. It's ideal for tackling stubborn dirt on smaller surfaces. Cut through grime with the 25-ounce foam cannon. Simply attach it to your spray gun for easy and effective foam application. This kit includes adapters for seamless connection with most M22 hoses and even garden hoses. Enjoy broad compatibility with your existing equipment. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want a comprehensive upgrade for their electric pressure washer. It includes everything you need to tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. If you're looking for a one-stop solution to enhance your pressure washing experience, this is the one to consider. What people say. The new sprayer that comes with this kit might even be slightly more effective than our old one. The new connector is slightly bigger. It then made sense that they sold the replacement hose as a kit with a new sprayer. I was amazed at how much better it is designed and constructed than my original washer gun. The hose is so easy to connect and disconnect. There is no leakage and it is powerful enough to clean paint off brick. Number 4. AR Blue Clean PW909UH, our pressure washer hose. Introducing the AR Blue Clean PW909UH-R, a 25-foot super soft pressure washer hose designed for superior performance. It's built to handle tough jobs with ease. This hose is engineered to withstand up to 2,900 psi, making it ideal for high-pressure cleaning tasks. It also features a maximum temperature rating of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Both ends of the hose are equipped with M22X 15mm threading, ensuring a secure and compatible connection with your pressure washer accessories. This package comes complete with a 100 series transfer adapter, a 300 series transfer adapter, and a brass garden hose extension adapter for maximum versatility. Easily connect your 100 or 300 series trigger guns using the included transfer adapters. They feature M22X 15mm threading for a perfect fit. The brass garden hose adapter allows you to connect your pressure washer to a standard garden hose, extending your reach and cleaning capabilities. What we like. If you need a more flexible and manageable hose for your pressure washer, this super soft option is ideal. Its flexibility reduces kinks and makes maneuvering around your cleaning area much easier. Consider this if you often find yourself fighting with a stiff hose. What people say. It fit perfectly at both ends using one of the 3 supplied adapters. I like how flexible this replacement hose is compared to how stiff my original hose was. This new hose is somewhat softer, but not as soft and flexible as I would like, so 4 stars not 5. Certainly much more flexible than the original pressure hose. Tested and there is no leakage from the hose or the wand fitting. Product quality of the hose and fittings appears good. This hose is more flexible than the original and easier to keep it from kinking. It won't fit in the top roller, but that is a small downside. Number 3. AR Blue Clean Maxx BM3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Introducing the AR Blue Clean Maxx BM3000, your ultimate solution for tough outdoor cleaning tasks. Experience unparalleled power and efficiency like never before. With a robust induction motor and triaxial pump, it delivers an impressive 3,000 psi and 1.3 GPM. This makes it the perfect tool for tackling dirt on your car, patio, and siding. Designed for convenience, its two-wheel trolley ensures easy maneuverability around your property. It also provides ample storage for all your essential accessories. The powerful induction motor offers twice the lifespan of traditional motors. This means you can rely on it for years of dependable, high-pressure cleaning. Switch between various quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon to adapt to any cleaning challenge. It also includes an M22 trigger gun and a 25-foot hose for extended reach. Spend less time setting up and more time cleaning. The included dynamic accessories are designed to cut your setup time in half, getting you to the job faster. What we like. For those who prioritize power and portability, this electric pressure washer is a fantastic choice. Its robust motor delivers impressive cleaning power, and the trolley design makes it easy to move around your property. If you need a reliable and mobile unit for demanding outdoor cleaning, this is it. What people say. It had all steel construction and an axial pump like it also. Also large wheels to move it, which I liked. This pressure washer is great for cleaning cars, driveways, windows, fences, lawn furniture, and more. It feels very sturdy and well built. The accessories are made of quality products. The included foam cannon is pretty cool. I am sure it will work good to clean our farm equipment also. Number 2. Annovi Reverberi AR Blue Clean RMW25G28 F7 Easy Pump. Ensure your cleaning unit runs smoothly with this genuine replacement part. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. Trust in the quality of Annovi Reverberi for your cleaning needs. This part is built to last, providing consistent power. Specifically designed for AR Blue Clean units, this pump ensures a perfect fit. You can rely on it for seamless operation. Featuring a vertical pump design, it offers efficient operation and easy integration. Get back to cleaning with confidence. This is the RMW25G28 F7 Easy model, a direct replacement for your existing pump. It's the perfect solution for your cleaning equipment. Replacing your old pump is straightforward with this part. Restore your cleaning unit's power quickly and easily. What we like. This is a specific replacement part designed for certain cleaning units. If your existing vertical pump has failed and you own a compatible model, this part offers a direct and durable solution. It's the right choice for restoring your pressure washer's functionality. What people say. This replaced the pump on my 12-year-old 7 HP 2600 PSI Craftsman power washer, which has the 7/8-inch shaft running from the motor. I did not notice any difference in the performance between this one and my old one, which basically broke apart, bleeding lube oil all over my deck. Same pressure as the original as far as I could tell. It has a bit more pressure than original. I 100% recommend it. Restored power to my Craftsman 2900 2.5 pressure washer, which had grown old and tired. Output from original pump had fallen to 1400 psi. Cost of seals and valves to freshen it up was almost as much as this brand new pump, so it was a no-brainer to just slap on a new pump. Unloader is set to 2600 psi and thermal relief valve is installed. Number 1. AR Blue Clean PW909300K Trigger Gun Kit. Introducing the AR Blue Clean Trigger Gun Kit, the perfect accessory to enhance your electric pressure washing experience. This comprehensive kit is designed for optimal performance and ease of use. Experience reduced fatigue with its integrated trigger and convenient nozzle holder for easy storage. It's built for comfort during extended cleaning tasks. This gun offers maximum versatility with its M22 connections, featuring an M22x 15mm inlet and an M22x 11.5mm outlet for seamless integration with various accessories. Tackle any cleaning job with the included 25-foot hose. It's incredibly flexible, rated for up to 2900 psi and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for demanding tasks. The metal lance features an M22 inlet and a quick connect outlet, allowing you to effortlessly switch between attachments for maximum efficiency. Cut through tough dirt and grime with the 25-ounce foam cannon. Its adjustable detergent knob and spray angle provide a powerful cleaning solution. For precise cleaning on smaller surfaces, utilize the included red quick connect nozzle with its 0-degree spray pattern. It's ideal for targeted cleaning applications. What we like. This trigger gun kit is excellent for enhancing the usability of your electric pressure washer. The integrated trigger reduces fatigue, and the M22 connection offers broad compatibility. If you're looking for an ergonomic and versatile upgrade for your existing setup, this kit is a great option. What people say. The AR Blue Clean replacement part is a perfect fit for my pressure washer, ensuring it functions like new again. This replacement part is well made and feels durable, suggesting it will last a long time. Installation was straightforward, and the part integrated seamlessly with my existing AR Blue Clean unit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.